Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how I do this very light and natural beat. So the whole point of this video is to put on makeup but to look like you're not wearing that much makeup. And this is going to be a little different from my normal routine. I don't do as much highlighting and contouring as I normally do, but as you can see, it still looks like a very nice, neat, and polished final look. So this is for my ladies who say, I really do like your tutorials, but I don't have time to spend that much time on my makeup in the mornings. So this is for you, okay? So it's a way for you to get a nice clean finish without spending an hour on your face. Alright, if you like this video or if you recreate this look, make sure you tag me in your pictures at Stokes Styling on Instagram, or you can just post them right down below in the comments. And if you are not subscribed, hit this button. It's gonna stay here the entire video right here. Hit this button and subscribe today. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time. Let's get started.
Alright you guys, and again, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it simple and easy for you. If you recreate this look, don't forget to share it with me. Leave a picture in the comments or at me on Instagram at Stokes Styling. If you want to see this look and other looks, don't forget to check out my website www.bstokestyling.com for custom units and other fun things. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace!